like that constant voice in your head telling you to keep your eyes open and alert on a long drive. Cerence supporters keep calm, even when financial bumps and industry roadblocks get in the way of profitability, especially as its voice and conversational AI technologies for the auto industry are deployed in more than 500 million vehicles worldwide. A central driver keeping investors on Cerence's side is its CALLM or CALM family of language models, consisting of CALM Cloud and CALM Edge, which are purpose-built for automotive environments. By leveraging NVIDIA AI enterprise software, NVIDIA Drive AGX Orin hardware, Tensor RTLLM, NeMo, and NeMo guardrails, Cerence is optimizing performance, reducing latency, enhancing privacy and security, and lowering deployment costs for automakers. MediaTek's Dimensity Auto Cockpit chipsets further strengthen this solution by enabling efficient, multimodal AI processing directly on the vehicle edge. These technologies power Cerence XUI, a new hybrid, cloud and embedded, agentic AI assistant platform designed specifically for in-vehicle use. Cerence XUI enables natural, multi-step conversational interactions, supports multiple occupants simultaneously, and integrates real-time vehicle, sensor, and contextual data. These models and interfaces are also being improved by working with ARM, SEMA AI, and Harman, resulting in better edge and cloud AI performance, reduced latency and power consumption, and improved safety through embedded guardrails, as well as multimodal perception, meaning awareness of both the vehicle interior and external environment, along with smart guardrailing for safety and compliance, and personalized, context-aware responses. The platform allows automakers to deploy AI features flexibly, fully embedded, cloud-based, or hybrid, and to upgrade vehicles already on the road, helping Cerence carve out its market share as a system-on-chip agnostic partner for global automakers. Outside of its core area of automobiles, Cerence is extending its reach. Through an expanded partnership with Code Factory, the company launched Voice Topping, a conversational AI for self-service kiosks across industries such as restaurants, retail, healthcare, banking, and transportation. Voice Topping enables natural, touchless voice interactions, improving usability, accessibility, and compliance with emerging regulations like the European Accessibility Act. This marks Cerence's first major push into non-automotive verticals. Turning over to the legal lane, Cerence is actively defending its intellectual property. It filed copyright and patent infringement lawsuits against Microsoft, Nuance, and Apple, asserting misuse of its text-to-speech and voice technologies. At the same time, Cerence resolved disputes with Samsung through a cross-license agreement that includes a $49.5 million lump sum payment, eliminating litigation risk and strengthening its balance sheet. Speaking of the balance sheet, the latest quarter was mixed, showing strong momentum under the hood but continued earnings volatility. Revenue reached $115.1 million, slightly ahead of consensus, and up 126% year-over-year, driven largely by $49.5 million in patent license revenue tied to the Samsung settlement. Profitability, however, lagged expectations. EPS was -1 cent, missing estimates by 33 cents. Adjusted EBITDA hit $44.6 million, with a 39% margin. Free cash flow reached a record $35.6 million, and gross margin expanded to 86%. Cash and marketable securities ended at $92.1 million. Management reaffirmed fiscal year 2026 revenue guidance of $300 to $320 million, roughly in line with expectations, signaling confidence beyond one-time IP monetization. Attention is increasingly being directed at growing OEM interest in new offerings like XUI and the Mobile Work AI agent, with newer deals showing higher price per unit economics. So, while earnings remain uneven, Cerence's outlook is supported by improving margins, strong cash flow, rising platform adoption, and a clearer path to monetizing both IP and next-generation automotive AI. Now, if you like learning about interesting stocks like Cerence, check out recent uploads. You'll likely find something you like, which the algorithm didn't recommend. Also, please like and share this video on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.